Hello, welcome to Temple's World Recipes. Today we're going to be making some ham croquettes or croquetas de jamon. Croquettes date back to the 18th century, and even though they have a French background, they're mostly famous in Spain. Spain used to make them out of leftover meat or fish, mixing that with a bechamel sauce and deep fry them to get that crispy outside. They're still a staple in Spanish tapas, and you can find them everywhere. The most common are ham, chicken, spinach, cod, among others. So let's make some ham croquettes. We're going to need 2 cups of milk. We're going to need 1 medium white onion chopped, 1 cup of jamon serrano or cured ham, 3 tablespoons of butter, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2/3 of a cup of flour for the filling, and 1.5 cups for the breading, 3 eggs, breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, and nutmeg. First, we're going to heat up our skillet. Once our skillet is hot, we will add our 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And once the olive oil is hot, we'll be adding our butter. After we add our butter, we're going to wait until it completely melts. Once our butter has melted, we'll add the onion and we'll cook it until it becomes soft and translucent. Once the onion is ready, we're going to add our flour and we'll cook it to remove the raw taste. We'll keep on stirring until the flour toasts, and you'll see it's ready when it gets this nice golden brown color. Once our flour and onion have cooked, we will add our milk. Once we add our milk, we're going to whisk it until everything incorporates and all the butter and the milk create this thick sauce, which is a bechamel. Make sure that when your sauce thickens that you don't have any flour lumps. Don't confuse them with onions. And then we will add our ham. With the ham in, we'll keep on mixing until the bechamel is all incorporated. We're going to add a teaspoon of nutmeg, salt and pepper to taste. Once you're okay with the taste, our bechamel is ready for the next step. We're going to turn off the heat at this point, and we're going to transfer our bechamel into a glass container. We're going to flatten our mixture up, and then we're going to put a piece of plastic on top of it so it doesn't create a crust. Then we're going to put it in the fridge at least for 2 hours. Overnight is better. After our mixture has cooled in the fridge, we are ready to prepare our croquetas. We'll prepare our breading station and we'll rub some olive oil in our hands to prevent the dough from sticking. With the help of a spoon, we'll get some dough and create a football-shaped nugget. This is a classic croquette shape, but you can make them round as well. We'll start by rolling our football in flour. We'll pass it on to the egg. And finally to the breadcrumbs. This is our first croquette, and we'll repeat all the steps until all the croquetas are done. Now we're going to fry our croquetas. I am adding some olive oil to a pan, but if you have a deep fryer, you can use that as well. Just use any neutral oil. We're going to be frying a few croquetas at a time, and it's going to take around 3 minutes per side. Make sure that you turn them around until you get this nice golden brown color. We'll repeat the steps with all our croquetas until they're all ready. And we're going to put them on a wire rack to remove the excess oil. And now our croquetas are ready. So these are our Spanish jamon croquetas. Crunchy on the outside, soft, gooey on the inside, full of ham. All deliciousness. I hope you make this recipe and give it a shot. They are so good.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, and it helps us a lot. Click subscribe to get notified when new videos are coming. Follow us on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.